This is a radio I repaired a few months ago. It is an RCA model 280, and I've seen dates on it running from 1932 to 1934. After I removed the chassis and got it home, I set it out near the garage to take a good look at it, and you can see it's very dirty and dusty. So get a can of air and clean everything off real good before I take it into the house and put it on the workbench. The speaker was already cut from the radio, which is not a good sign, and it was laying on the bottom of the cabinet. So right away I'm suspicious, and of course when you take a look at the speaker, that capacitor that's hanging down there doesn't belong there. The chassis is now sitting on end on my workbench, and this is the top of the chassis. This next picture is the middle, and this next picture is the end where the transformer is. I get out the wiring diagrams, and if you don't have a set of writers, you can go to nostalgiaair.org and probably find the wiring diagram for your radio. I also get out my voltmeter and start checking the circuit of the power transformer, and as I was doing this, you can see the fuse here. It's supposed to be a 1.5 amp, and I found that it had a 10 amp fuse in it. Not good. Referencing the wiring diagram and using an ohm meter, I determined that the power transformer was good. However, I found out that the field coil on the speaker was open and could not be repaired. And it's not likely that I'll find another one, and if it is, it wouldn't be original anyway. So the client and myself decided that I would redesign that portion of the circuit in the power supply and the audio so the radio would play with a new modern PM speaker. I got some of the information from these drawings. I'm going to be putting high resolution pictures up at this website for this project.